Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of dildos. And no, Kermit, I'm not talking about toys. We're talking about dual income, little dog owners. Ever wondered how two incomes and a furry friend can transform your life? Let's dive into the dildo lifestyle. Get ready for real talk about finances, freedom, and finding that perfect balance. Let's do this. Okay, let's break down this whole dildo thing. It stands for dual income, little dog owners. It's those couples on Instagram with great careers, cute pups, and fancy vacations. The dildo lifestyle is about prioritizing your furry friend and balancing work and life. One of the biggest perks of being a dildo is financial freedom. Two incomes mean double the savings, faster debt payoff, and more budget flexibility. Need a yard for your pup? No problem. The dildo life makes big dreams a reality. Remember those days when you had to say no to every fun invitation because you were too broke or too tied down to your job? Yeah, those days are over. Got a last-minute chance for a weekend getaway? Life's too short to be stuck in a rut, right? Let's be real. One of the best parts of being a dildo is showering your furry friend with love and attention. With flexible schedules, your pup will never be short on cuddles, playtime, or walks. Plus, don't forget about all the dog-friendly activities you can do together. The dildo lifestyle lets you create countless memories with your bestie. Here's the thing about the dildo life. It's not just about spoiling your dog. It's about creating a life where you can thrive. When you're not stressed about money, you can focus on your career. The dildo lifestyle empowers you to chase your ambitions. Let's address the elephant in the room. Being a dildo isn't always sunshine and rainbows. You might encounter judgmental relatives or friends who think you're too busy. There's no one right way to live your life. Don't let anyone make you feel bad for choosing joy and fulfillment. Let's be real, not everyone has a super supportive family. Communication is key. Have open and honest conversations about your priorities and why the dildo lifestyle works for you. Remember, you don't need their approval to live your best life. Let's talk about the real MVPs of the dildo lifestyle. The dogs. Those furry creatures bring us joy, but they come with responsibilities. From scheduling walks and vet appointments to finding reliable pet sitters, it's all about teamwork and communication. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, you might question your dildo choices. Acknowledge those feelings and address them head-on. Have open, honest conversations about expectations and priorities. Find what works best for you and your situation. So you've embraced the dildo lifestyle. You've got the double income, the adorable dog, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Prioritize quality time with your partner and furry friend. Set aside those phones and just enjoy each other's company. Trust me, those moments truly matter. So there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of the dildo lifestyle. It's about financial freedom, flexibility, and love, but also finding balance between work and personal fulfillment. Embrace the chaos and live your best dildo life. Hit subscribe for more awesome content.